No. Oh. Hey guys, Mikey from Camera House, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own fitness training videos. The first thing we want to consider is what type of camera we'll be using. The features we want our camera to have is being able to record at 4K resolution, at a high frame rate, and with no recording limit. With all these things kept in mind, the camera I'd recommend is the Panasonic GH5. It can record at 4K resolution at 60 frames a second, so that means you're going to be able to slow down footage and crop in without compromising too much quality. And if you really want to slow down your footage to emphasize a certain point or specific technique cues, this camera can record at 180 frames per second at 1080p. This will really help out for movement that is both quick and hard to follow. The Panasonic GH5 also has in-body image stabilization. This means you're going to be able to handhold shots without having any of that shaky camera. I'm looking at you, Michael Bay. The GH5 has an inbuilt microphone, but I always recommend having a dedicated microphone. This will just take your audio quality to the next level. The two microphones I generally recommend is the RØDE Wireless Go and the RØDE Videomic NTG. Since the start of the video, I've been using the RØDE Wireless Go. It comes in two parts, the receiver which attaches to the camera and the transmitter which attaches to you. You can even grab a RØDE Lavalier Go, which makes your setup a lot more subtle. Because the microphone is tethered to you and at a constant distance from your mouth, it means you're going to be able to move around in frame whilst maintaining clear audio levels. This is great if you want to talk and demonstrate an exercise at the same time. The main microphone I use is the RØDE Videomic NTG. I'm going to start using it right now. It's an on-camera shotgun microphone and it's extremely versatile, because not only can you use it with a camera, you're able to use it with any mobile device and computer. It even has a knob at the back where you can adjust gain or audio input on the fly. Because of its versatility, it's a great microphone to record audio for voiceovers, especially if an exercise is strenuous and you're unable to talk during it. These two microphones are a great way to ensure that your viewers can clearly hear what you're saying. The last thing I want to talk about is the different tripods you can use. Right now I'm using a Manfrotto Befree with a ball head, as it's quick to maneuver and get into position in any way you want. Tripods with video handles are also good if you want to have any panning or tilting motions. Another type of tripod to consider is something on the smaller side. In this case, I like to use a Manfrotto Pixi Evo. It holds quite a decent weight and will hold most DSLRs, and it will definitely help you get those shots which are a lot closer to the ground. Because of its size, it will also help with any vlogging scenarios you might find yourself in. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment below or talk to a local expert at a camera house near you.